All right, what's going on, Discord? I'm just updating the app from last night, moving some stuff over. I want to show you guys a new feature here. So what we're working on are these new media blocks, and this is actually pulling the content from YouTube, and it displays natively. And these blocks are fully editable inside of all the individual app pages. So if I jump into Super Admin here real quick, and I go to Native App, and then down here to Screens, inside here, you'll find the one I'm working on called Video Cards. Okay? So just to show you here, we go down to Blocks. And these blocks, we've got multiple different options here. We've got video cards, graphic cards, postcards, and featured cards. So for instance, if I open up video cards here, you can see I've got To the Moon and We Have Ignition. Those are the two right there. Adding a new one is as simple as coming up here to the right hand side, add new video card, and then this is going to open up all the options for you. So for example, if I come up to YouTube and I come into my own library, channel, manage videos, say I want to start with the gamification pipeline audit. Okay, so I'm just going to take this, I'm going to click share video, I'm going to copy that link, and then I'm going to do gamification, and done. I'm going to add it as a YouTube video. I'm going to turn off these settings, we don't need those. Come down here to style 5 to match the style that we've got already, and now I can add my options. Here's my deep link, or in this case, it's actually a target URL, which is YouTube. I'm going to click select link, and then from here, I can go to, say, let's go to YouTube, and let's just do Google, and let's do Gamify. Images, and I'll just choose one of these here, one that looks decent. Let's do I guess it really doesn't matter for this case. This worked. So I'm going to save to photos, come back into the app, I'm going to upload an image. For some reason it doesn't upload with an SSL, so the image doesn't show right away. But all you have to do is come right back down here to the image here and just add an S. I'll fix that in the future. And then we can see we've got subtext and metatext. So the subtext is going to be the subtitle, and the metatext of this little image you see here on the right hand side, the metatext is going to be that little bubble that says 19. So this video is how long? Let's see here, 15 minutes and 26 seconds. So metatext, we're going to do 15:26. And the subtext, we're going to do pipeline audit. Okay. So that's got everything in there. I'm going to save draft. Come back. Let it reload. And then I'm going to go to the page here and refresh this page that shows all the video cards. A couple little bugs here that we need to fix. And I have to fix this bug because it's redirecting without publishing, but I just got to change that to published and click update. And so now that's complete. If I come back here and I pull to refresh, it doesn't show up, but that's because in gamification, open it back up again. If we scroll down, we have to re-enter this information, I guess, because there's an error with our publishing. But let's just add it again here. So the subtext was pipeline audit. So this is the stuff we've been working on, guys, while we've been quiet. I keep telling people when I'm quiet, it's because we're working on stuff. And we're working really hard. So I'm going to use this file. I'm going to add it to the YouTube list. Add that S in here. And then the time again was 15:26. So now I'm just going to update this. And now it should show up. And there it is. Okay. So this is going to pull open that gamification for the pipeline audit.
Record.
So the reason why we're doing this is because this information here that we're trying to share is from the educational materials. The classic way of doing it used to be from the courses engine, which we're finding the performance of the courses engine just isn't as good as where we'd like it to be. So this decreases the server load immensely. So this is the route we're going. We have 6 different card types, different styles of cards, and this will give you the ability to create a fully immersive and interactive experience for your users on these app pages. And you can interlink between app pages. You can automate the posting of these new video cards or postcards or whatever type of card you want through our automation engine, our automation tool. So all that will be reviewed in depth as we move forward, but we're trying to make this as friendly as possible and give a native experience that's comparable to what's out there in big tech. Okay, so that's a quick update for you guys. About ready to move into a meeting here for lunch. Should be a really good meeting. This should be a very large opportunity to get the platform out in the hands of a lot of people for feedback, as well as bring in some great opportunity to the Discord, get us back into the minting train, all that good stuff. So if you have any questions, guys, don't hesitate to reach out. I just wanted to show you this update. We're putting our time, effort, and energy into this platform to make sure that everything's done right. So I appreciate everybody who's sticking around. The people who are leaving, let them leave. They're going to come back in the future when it finally dawns on them what we've got. But for now, the people who stay here are going to get to see the evolution of this technology over the next couple months, through the fall into the winter, and then next spring, boom, it's game time. I thought we would have to build our own coding language, but I believe the standard for that's already been set. So we may be able to utilize what's already there. We'll talk more about that later. But if you guys have any questions, let me know, and we'll chat soon.